Alright, it's been a while since I opened up a Super Treasure Hunt, and I also have a trio of cars here that will make this sort of a fun video, because if you're into the 73 CSL, the 3-liter, what they call the Batmobile race car, this is going to be a fun one. So we've got the Super Treasure Hunt, that's the regular mainline, and that's the Super above it. Then I have over here the very first release of this casting, back in 2016. I picked up one of these at Market Basket and opened it, and I don't know where that one is. I believe my parents' house, on the shelves over there. And then a recent new find for me that I was really excited about is I found the Ultra Hot, which is awesome because it's Spectra Flame. Every time I see these Ultra Hots, I'm tempted to just get rid of those tampos and just have it be nice, clean Spectra Flame, but honestly, it's actually pretty cool on this one. Anyway, let's open up all three of these cars. Alright, here we go. Look at that Super. It's gorgeous. It's a nice one. So, story with this is my buddy Mass Diecast on Instagram, as in Massachusetts Diecast. He had this car, and I found the Studebaker a couple of years ago. And so he offered me almost immediately to trade, and I mean that was a win-win for me. So I did. We traded almost immediately, and no remorse. Still very happy. The Studebaker's nice, nothing wrong with it. But I've owned a bunch of vintage BMWs, so this is definitely, plus the color, the yellow, pretty cool. Anyway, now you got the Ultra Hot, the slotted wheels. That, nice job with the tampos on that one. It's nice. I don't know what you'd call this exactly. It's kind of like a navy blue gunmetal Spectra Flame. Anyway, and then you get the very first release of this casting, which is one of the nicest, honestly. The BMW colors, I mean, that's pretty awesome. The motorsport colors on this, I like it. So it's just a mainline, not a Super, not a Treasure Hunt, nothing like that. And then we combine that with what we've got over here: recent premium, Forza premium, another mainline, Matchbox one, which actually this one was messed up and I had to repaint it and fix it. It's still messed up, but it's much better than it started off. Anyway, I made a custom bumper for it, so it's actually better than it used to be, in my opinion. Anyway, then we got the Target exclusive one, the red one, and that one I made using one of these main lines. I stripped it and did like a raw situation. So, whatever. Call it stupid if you want. That's what I did with it. So here we go. Nice. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll be opening up 5 Supers in one day soon. Been playing it for a while. It's gonna be epic.